I think I found it. She my cherry cola, she gon' keep me sober. Let me keep you closer, bubbling like a soda. Sweeter than the champagne, smoother than this Coltrane. Keep me from the Chardonnay, I'm just sipping one thing. She my cherry cola, she gon' keep me sober. Let me keep you closer, bubbling like a soda. Sweeter than the champagne, smoother than this Coltrane. Keep me from the Chardonnay, I'm just sipping one thing.
I'm starting off today with a new slime called Melon Chunks. This is a really thick and glossy pink slime with some jumbo green foam beads on the top. Also, it has some black glitter inside to make it look like watermelon. And this one is also color shifting. Next up, I have Melted Butterfinger. This is a clear brown slime that smells like caramel, and this one is inspired by Slime OG. And this one also has some like clay / rubber pieces at the bottom that are supposed to look like peanut butter and chocolate. Banana Split is a Dazo clay butter slime that is scented like strawberry, and it is pink, and it also has some yellow foam beads to represent the banana, and this one also is topped off with some clay sprinkles. Cookies and Cream is a thick and glossy slime that is unscented. In the bottom, it has some little chocolate pieces made out of rubber / clay that make it look more realistic. And this one is really stretchy and cookie, and it's really fun to play with. Baja Blast is a green cloud slime that is scented like sour apple, and this one is really nice to drizzle and has a very fluffy texture. Chocolate Covered Strawberry is another Dazo clay butter slime, and this one has jumbo pink foam beads to represent strawberry, and it also has the chocolate pieces in the bottom. And this one is scented like strawberry, and it's really creamy and nice to spread. Next up, I have one of my newer textures, and this is Blueberry Sorbet. This is scented just like its name, and this one comes with a blueberry charm on top, and this texture is really fun to play with because it's really clicky and stretchy and also a bit spreadable. Next up, I have Cookie Monster, and this is another thick and glossy slime, except it has jumbo and mini foam beads on the top that are blue. And this one is scented like blueberry, and it comes with a chocolate charm on top. Next up is Sugar Cookie Fluff. This is another cloud slime, and this one is scented like caramel. It is topped off with a chocolate heart charm and also some clay sprinkles. Next up, I have Choco Chip Fluff. This is also another cloud slime, and this one is scented like s'mores because I didn't have a cookie scent. And this one is topped off with some pieces of chocolate, and this one is really, really fun to play with. It's super drizzly and really fluffy. Next up, I have Glazed Donut, and this one is a clear slime that is unscented, and this comes with two charms in it. One is a donut and the other is a piece of candy, and this one is also topped off with some clay sprinkles, and it's really, really clear and also very clicky and stretchy to play with. This is Toffee Sprinkle Sundae, and this is another Days of Clay butter slime that comes with a little cute charm on top. And this one has pieces of clay sprinkles and also pieces of clay toffee. Next up, I have Sprinkled Strawberry Ice Cream, and this is another Days of Clay butter slime that is scented like strawberry. And this one comes with a little ice cream charm on top, and this one is also topped off with some clay sprinkles. One of my other sorbet slimes that I have is called Watermelon Sorbet, and this one is scented like watermelon and comes with a watermelon charm. And this one has the same exact texture as Blueberry Sorbet. Next up, I have Apple Zots, and this is inspired by the candy called Zots. This one is a clear green slime scented like sour apple, and it is topped off with a really crunchy layer of white jumbo foam beans. Apple Toffee Crunch is another slime inspired by Slime OG, and this is a really thick and glossy green slime with some green foam beads at the top and pieces of clay toffee at the bottom. Next up is Cookie Milk Cream, and this is another Days of Clay butter slime. This one is unscented, and it has pieces of orange and brown clay that are supposed to look like the little pieces that you drop in your milk after you dip the cookie in the milk, and this one is really spreadable and soft. This is called Crushed Candy, and this one is a foam that is based with a clear slime, and it's scented like bubblegum. This one has different colors of foam beads, and this is also topped off with some clay sprinkles, and it also comes with a little cute charm. And last but not least, my last sorbet slime is called Apple Sorbet, and this one is scented just like sour apple, and this one has the same exact texture as the other ones, and this is really, really clicky and stretchy and really fun to play with, and it also comes with a little green charm on top.